Do you want to know how much can you make installing computers on forklift? So in this video I'm going to show you the last job that I have doing this. So as you can see in this work order, we have to install a lot of computers on a forklift. So I'm going to show you a little bit. So as you can see, it's for 1700, just me, just 2 days of work, and I'm going to show you here a little bit, maybe some pictures so that way you can see. Also, I made a video in my other channel, Gabak USA, so that way you can see. So as you can see, the customer told me they want to know, they want to take note of every serial number, as you can see here. So I'm going to show you. Okay, here I was taking serial number on the boxes as well, so that way it's easier to keep track of everything. Here's some computers, and I'm going to show you this video that I have in my other channel, like I said before, Gabak USA, and this is the place. So this is where we were installing the computers. So all you need to know, at least for this type of jobs, is if you have experience installing stereos on your car, so you know how to handle 12 volts, how to run cables, installing the fuses and the fuse lines, and maybe also the connectors and crimping and everything. So here I'm showing you exactly what needs to be done in order to make that amount. And as you can see, of course, you're going to be able to earn a lot more than just, you know, being an employee. Just when you work for yourself, people always are willing to pay more, and because you have to know, you know, what you're doing. So in this case, I have a lot of experience already installing stereos and all those things. So when the customer called me, hey, can you install this? I said, yeah, sure, no problem, I can do it. I know how to use the multimeter, so that is very important. I have a lot of tools in my mini cargo van. I have every tool that you can imagine of, and sometimes even if I don't have the tool in that side, because I have like a plasma cutter, for instance, that I use maybe every 3 months or something like that, but I have it. So if I have a job that I know that I'm going to use it, I'm going to put it in my cargo van. Otherwise, I leave it in another place. But what I'm trying to say is try to keep as many tools as you can. So if you need, you know, drills, hole saws, impact drivers, anything. So that way it will make your life easier, and people are going to be able to hire you and give you more jobs, because the more tools you have and more capable of doing almost anything, that is how you can move ahead way faster than most of the people. At least 2021, 2020, at least in this year, very little people, you know, maybe just to make $2,000, people they have to work at least 2 or 3 weeks. So in my case, you know, just 2 days of work, that was enough. At least for me, is a good amount. If you work for yourself, you have to earn more than, you know, just being an employee. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. But hopefully this video was useful. If you want me to make any other video about how much you can make, you know, doing any other type of task, please let me know. I am in US. If you need anything else, please write it down in the comment in the section below, and see you next time.